Before you give Gmail or Google permission to use your email content to personalize your experience, you need to check these 3 settings right now. And don't worry, I'll show you exactly where to find them. Open the Gmail app on your iPhone. Then tap the 3 lines in the top left corner. Then scroll down and tap Settings. Now scroll down again and tap Data Privacy. The first setting you want to check is Smart Features. When this setting is turned on, you agree to let Gmail, Chat and Meet use your content and activity to personalize your experience with smart features in these products. This can include things like Smart Compose, Smart Reply, and email summary cards. If you don't want your Gmail, Chat, and Meet content and activity to be used for these personalized smart features, you can turn this setting off. Next, tap Google Workspace Smart Features and you'll find 2 more settings. The first one is Smart Features in Google Workspace. When this is turned on, Google Workspace can use your workspace content and activity to personalize your experience across workspace products such as Gmail, Chat, Meet, Drive, and more. This can power features like personalized search and certain AI-powered features in Google Workspace. If you prefer to have more control over how your workspace content is used for these personalized features, you can turn this one off as well. And finally, we have Smart Features in other Google products. When this is turned on, Google can use your workspace content and activity to personalize your experience in other Google products. For example, this can enable features that use information from your workspace content in products such as Maps, Wallet, and other supported Google services. So, if you don't want these smart features and personalization options, you can turn this setting off too. Keep in mind though, that turning these settings off means you may lose access to some convenient smart features. So this is really about choosing between convenience and having more control over how your content and activity are used for personalization. Personally, I think it's worth checking these settings and deciding what you're comfortable with, instead of simply leaving everything turned on without knowing what it does. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.